We are a unique business. No one else can offer what Fablas Porthcawl can. We produce all our ice cream in small batches, handmade, fresh each week, so you won't get that in a corporate or a chain store, that's for sure. Independent businesses offer an experience that you can't get from chain stores. We strive ourselves on a Fablas experience as soon as you walk into the door. Large chains can't offer that. I think independent businesses are the future of British high streets.
We're local ourselves and we relate to the local people. They should come to visit our shop to see the wide range of goods that we sell, because they're bound to find something that they want. People who come here say, oh, isn't it lovely? The shop sells local, green and fairly traded goods. They're thought out in terms of who's making them, who's producing them, are they environmentally friendly? Are they good quality too? Yeah, they are.
We offer personal service in a friendly atmosphere, and we try to create an environment which is open and friendly for everybody. If it wasn't for independent businesses, I don't think towns or anywhere else would exist. The whole environment is much better for it. I think it's very important that the local residents come in and support the local town, because that way more business will open and less will shut.
I've always had a passion for baking since I was a baker home with my mother, and I just brought that out in Iced with all our homemade treats, our treat boxes, our goodies and all our lunches, sandwiches and high teas. If someone needs something that maybe not on the menu or whatever, we bend over backwards really to try and offer people what they want. It's the best thing anyone can do at the moment. Stay local, shop independent, shop small. Every pound you spend stays within that community. It comes in here, it pays local people, local produce. The money stays in the town then, builds the town back up to make us a thriving town again, get us back to where we were really.
This label catered for 14 to size 24. Our motto is to keep the price point as keen as possible. Boutique style at high street prices. I think we cater for everybody's budget.
We wanted to bring something different to town and add a bit of flair to it, so we brought the cocktail bar, and we do French cuisine food, so we do snails, frog's legs. Morgan's is a different experience altogether. We have live entertainment on the Saturday night, so we do a steak menu, we do a lot of vegan, we do a lot of gluten-free, so we try and cater to everyone. The tourism and leisure side of the town centre is bringing people back into the town with a different experience. We've got passion because we're independent. It's all about us and giving it back to you as a customer.
Each town needs to have a point of difference, and that's different retailers selling different products. We need people to have the confidence to come into the town, open as an independent retailer, want to succeed, want to listen to the customers. I think that is the way forward. I don't think major retailers will want to come into town, so it's our chance to make it work.